Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this Aroma Diffuser Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier with 7 colors LED lights. Some of the key features: 400 ml capacity is the tanker, 4 smart timer settings. For the ultrasonic diffuser you can set 1 hour for yoga, 3 hours for spa, 6 hours for walking, and permanently on for sleeping. It will shut down automatically after 5 seconds after running out of water. Mist control, light control, many features to use this aroma diffuser. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. The manual, of course, if you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Oh, and there it is. Nice, I like the shape. And the adapter, 24 volts, 650 milliamp. Cable is quite long, is 1.5 meters, nice. You can open that, and inside we're gonna find out the remote control. A container, maximum is 150 ml. Fill up this container, that is maximum 400 ml. Here we can see we've got the buttons for the light and for the mist. 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours and on. Here you can connect the cable. We've got a ventilation for the fan. Another hole here. I can say the old construction with this woody design, it looks great. Yep, I like it. And it feels quite premium, the old construction. Nice. The remote control, pull this out. We've got 6 buttons: on, off, intermittent, continuous, timing, big, small, and the light. Great. It will be very useful to control it from a distance. Well, nice all that. Let's put some water inside and enjoy a relaxing atmosphere. Now let's put the water inside. With a remote control you can turn it on. And we can see it's starting to take some of the mist. Yep. Press the light button. Oh yeah. Nice, beautiful. And automatically it's changing colors randomly. Nice, it looks great. Press the light button again. It will stay to the color that you choose. Press again and you can change colors. And again press it, it will turn off. By pressing again it will turn on and automatically randomly changing colors. Pressing the big small, it will take a larger amount of mist or smaller amount. Press again, it will take a larger amount of mist. And small again. And large. Nice. Press the intermittent. That means after a few minutes it will stop automatically. Or the continuous. It will work continuously. Of course, until the water will empty, it will stop automatically after 5 seconds. And the timing, you can choose. You can see here we've got 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours and on continuously. We've got a light here, indicates where is the time. And of course you can change it, and from the buttons at the unit, by pressing 1 it will go to your favorite color, it will stop at this color. Pressing again you can change randomly colors. and pressing again, it will stay on there. Pressing again and off and on again randomly is changing smoothly the colors. And the mist, you can turn it off by pressing this button, and pressing again you can turn it on, choosing the hours by pressing again, and continues on. Pressing again will turn off. On, choosing the light. Now let's see how it looks at the night. And there it is at the night. Oh, and it looks so beautiful. Nice. Randomly changing colors, adjusting the amount of mist you want to have. You can stop at your favorite color, adjusting the time you want to work, 1, 3 or 6 hours, or continuously on. I think it is very relaxing. Hear the mist coming out. Sometimes you can hear in the water. And definitely you will have a relaxing atmosphere at the place you want, to your store, home, living room, bedroom, wherever is suitable for you. All about this product, where you can buy it, you can check down below to the description. You can find more information where you can buy it. I think it's a great product to use it for you every time, or you can buy it for a present, why not, to your loved ones. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.